Yo, we're out here in Davie using shiners. Just caught a nice little snook. Super windy. Gotta release him. Perfect release. Literally as soon as it hit the water, picked up. Yo, we just got another snook. Aw, you getting them all dirty. We out here on shiners. How do you like them rockfish? It's a very rare species, I'm told.
They fight hard. Look at this.
Oh, look at that. Monster rockfish. So what is your plan of action here?
Probably go down and grab it.
Yo, Garrett, what's that?
Snook.
Oh, is that snook number 3? Snook number 3? What? Ooh.
Yo, look at the golden flake in him.
Woo.
All right, let's get a picture.
All right, guys, so we're at our second location. we caught 3 snook at our last one. We got our trusty live bait. He's already tangled somehow. All right, let's do this. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's a bass. Hold it up to the camera. Hey. Oh, a lunker, bro. He's huge. He's a giant. Oh, he's gonna snap the line.
No. Jason, look at that.
Totally out of control. Like he was hysterical crying.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
So, how many we get today, Garrett?
We got 3 snook, a snakehead.
3 snook, a 5-pound snakehead. What else? What else?
Bass.
We got
4
bass. 4 bass, sorry.
I think that was it.
All on the live bait.
Dozen shiners only.
The trusty live bait never fails, never fails.
Especially on this type of day.
Alright, that's it. Guys, it looks like we stopped fishing at the right time. It's coming down now. Welcome to Florida. 1 minute it's not raining, the next minute it is.